Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore time, attributes and security of your project when you download it, when you take it from GitHub. In my case, GitHub it is a very good solution for backup, but it has certain limitations. For example, what I just mentioned, it does not restore time, attributes and security when you download your project. It has limitation for 100 megabytes, like upload, like push. So you can push file not bigger than 100 megabytes for free and without limitations. If you want to push like bigger files, you either have to fit in this limitation or you have to pay. Every time you clone your project, you download your project, Git files are regenerated, so ignore red messages about missing files. And also Git can make modification time equal push upload time, but that affects whole project and it doesn't fix problem at all. What we are interested in, we want to get back our time, attributes and security and all our project intact. So as you can see right now, I am downloading my project. This folder, so you would see this folder was created just recently. And this is the project that is on GitHub. And I want to restore time of this folder. Just ignore this moment, it has nothing to do with the video. It's just for sake of understanding of how old this project. So as you can see right now, we are downloading this project, we're cloning this project, and all the times are just now. All the times are reset: creation, modification, last access time, attributes like Visual Studio should be hidden, but it's not hidden. Now let's wait for it to finish cloning, finish downloading. It should be 1.20 something gigs, and we are going to restore times, attributes and security. So this is the process of initial backup. It was already done, and the backup contains this is my nickname, time, attributes, and this is security. So this process is initial backup. It will not be mentioned in this video. It's a pretty long process, long to explain. We are going to, at least right now, we are going to talk about restoration. So as you can see, we successfully downloaded our project. All the times are messed up, attributes messed up. What do we want to do? We want to get our data back. And to do this, I open up my manual. First action we do, we want to unpack this artifact DB file. It is 128 megabytes. GitHub will not accept this file, so I put it into archive, and I put this archive into GitHub. So now we can unpack this archive, and it will place it into the library folder right here. Here we go. Next step we are going to do, we are going to launch script, this admin, and in this script we are going to, so this is log, this is our working folder. We are going to ignore everything here because we need to restore. Our folder is again press. Press enter, yes. Set nickname, time, attribute, time attributes backup, and it is located in here. This is time attributes. I wish I could make it more automatic, but I'm not that specialist. I'm just having everything at least working the way I want. Not super comfortable, but now just have a look how it will all change. So as you can see, Git, it complains about Git. This is what I was talking about. So every time you download your project, Git files will be regenerated. So ignore red messages, since those files are just new files. They were regenerated in a Git folder. As you can see right now, Visual Studio now has correct attributes. It is hidden. Creation times are restored. Modification times are restored. Last access times are also restored. So, mission accomplished. Times are reset. Last access time, where is it? Okay, I will do it this way. See, last access time reset. Recovered. But when you do this twice, just keep in mind it will be reset. Okay, so this is process of restoration. This is process of next backups. First you backup artifact DB, since it's 128 megabytes. Then you backup whole project, and this is initial backup. You clean up working folder, you get your clean and ready project with all the times, attributes, and security intact. I call it unpack. Then you compress artifact DB, since it's once again it's big file. GitHub requires LFS for this to be uploaded into your repository. Then I use my script. In this script I backup times and attributes and security of project into working folder. Then I backup folder that will contain container of backups. Then I copy this folder into project. Then I restore it times, attributes, and security. Then I added git ignore, and I have there only artifact db file to ignore. Then I remember times and attributes and security of this git ignore. And then I restore project settings. Then I restore git ignore edited settings. Then I backup whole project settings. And as you can see right here, I restored those settings. This is next step. This is what I will be doing when I need to back up again. Some people say that library is not necessary in GitHub and the rest of items, but in my case I want to have incremental backup. I want to have everything right there with me in GitHub, and I show you in this video that it's possible to keep your times, attributes, and security intact, and to have library in your GitHub, to have like whole project with you on GitHub, and to fit in limitations of GitHub and have it fully operational and fully working. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Yeah, bye.